So remember I had said there were 5 things we teach you to Ubuntu plus 1?
Right.
Purpose and vision go in the middle of it. And values. And we say your purpose, who you were made to be, becomes the fuel for what your business is about, because your business should be an extension of who you are, not an imitation of who you're trying to be. A lot of entrepreneurs are trying to become Elon Musk or try to become somebody else. I'm like, don't be that person. That's them. You be you.
Be you.
Be you. And to be truly honest, I don't know if those people are all as happy as media tells you that they are.
Right.
I mean, my daughter and I were talking the other day. She goes, Dad,
That's so true, though. That's true, though.
oh my goodness, my daughter and I were talking about, she would like to get a new car, and I said, well, great, let's save up money to get a new car.
Right.
I'll show you how to trade your car in. I'll show you how to. And she's like, well, my friends' parents gave them a brand new car. Okay, is your friend happier than you are?
Right.
No. and so it's let's first say purpose and mission and values and vision and all those things. Purpose drives a piece that nothing can break. And if you know your purpose, even if you're not, quote, successful with a lot of money, you can be a happy, satisfied individual. Because there are people who do the 5 things, but they don't have purpose. And I will say it this way, some of the loneliest, most broken people I know live in the biggest houses and drive the nicest cars. So purpose is central. And where do you find your purpose? You find it from the one who made you. You start there. Whew.